What if I told you that a simple, vibrant flower could act as a bodyguard for your entire garden, fending off pests without a drop of chemicals? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, meet the marigold, the unsung hero of organic pest control that's been quietly saving gardens for centuries. Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to Don't Do This Guide, your go-to channel for smarter, eco-friendly solutions to everyday problems. If you're tired of battling pesky insects nibbling away at your precious plants, stick around because we're about to reveal the secret weapon hiding in plain sight, marigolds. Marigolds are more than just bright, cheerful flowers adding a splash of color to your garden. These humble plants possess incredible pest-fighting properties that can transform the way you garden. But how exactly do they work their magic? Let's delve deeper. Let's talk about a hidden menace, nematodes. These microscopic worms attack plant roots, causing stunted growth and death. But marigolds come to the rescue. Tagetes marigolds release compounds toxic to nematodes. These compounds disrupt nematode life cycles. Plant marigolds near tomatoes, peppers, and roses. They act as a natural barrier against pests. Enjoy their blooms while they work underground. We often associate pleasant scents with flowers. But did you know that the strong fragrance of marigolds serves a dual purpose? Not only does it attract pollinators, but it also acts as a natural deterrent against a whole host of common garden pests. Aphids, whiteflies, cabbage worms, these pesky insects rely heavily on their sense of smell to locate their favorite plants. The pungent aroma of marigolds disrupts their olfactory senses, confusing them and making it difficult for them to find their target. Imagine a fragrant fortress surrounding your precious vegetables, with marigolds acting as the aromatic guards. The scent creates an invisible shield, protecting your plants from unwanted invaders. And here's a little tip: plant marigolds near entrances and windowsills to deter flying insects from entering your home. It's a natural and effective way to keep those pesky mosquitoes at bay during the warmer months. Now let's talk about the good guys, the beneficial insects that help keep your garden healthy and balanced. Marigolds, with their bright and inviting blooms, act as beacons, attracting these helpful creatures to your garden. Ladybugs, lacewings, hoverflies, these predators are the gardener's best friend, feasting on harmful pests like aphids, mites, and caterpillars. By planting marigolds, you're essentially rolling out the welcome mat for these beneficial insects, creating a thriving ecosystem that naturally controls pest populations. Think of it as inviting a team of tiny superheroes to your garden, ready to combat any villainous pests that dare to threaten your plants. And the best part? You don't have to pay them a single penny. So next time you see a ladybug landing on a marigold, take a moment to appreciate the intricate web of life unfolding before your eyes, a testament to the power of nature's own pest control system. Just like a clever general deploys troops to outmaneuver the enemy, we can use marigolds in a similar way to protect our gardens, through a technique called trap cropping. The concept is simple. Plant marigolds as decoy crops to lure pests away from your more valuable plants. Some pests, like Mexican bean beetles and asparagus beetles, find marigolds irresistible and will readily lay their eggs on them instead of your beans or asparagus. Once these pests have congregated on your marigolds, you can easily remove the affected plants or use a strong jet of water to dislodge them. It's a humane and effective way to control pest populations without resorting to chemical warfare. Think of it as a strategic game of chess, with marigolds as your pawns, sacrificing themselves to protect your more valuable pieces. It's all about outsmarting those pesky insects. In the world of gardening, companionship is key. Just as we thrive in the company of good friends, plants too benefit from having the right neighbors. And when it comes to finding the perfect garden companion, marigolds take the crown. Marigolds, with their pest-repelling properties and ability to attract beneficial insects, make excellent companions for a wide range of vegetables and other plants. Plant them alongside tomatoes, cucumbers, squash, roses, and even herbs like basil and parsley to enhance their growth and protect them from pests. The secret lies in the marigold's ability to create a harmonious environment that discourages pests while encouraging beneficial insects. It's like creating a thriving community garden where everyone works together to support each other. So next time you're planning your garden layout, remember the power of companionship. Pair your plants wisely and let marigolds work their magic as the ultimate garden buddies. Now, I know what you're thinking. All this sounds fantastic, but aren't marigolds difficult to grow? Fear not, my fellow gardeners, for marigolds are one of the easiest and most low-maintenance plants you can grow, even for beginners. Marigolds thrive in well-drained soil and prefer a sunny spot in the garden, although they can tolerate some shade. They're relatively drought-tolerant once established, making them ideal for those who forget to water their plants regularly. We've all been there. You can start marigolds from seed indoors a few weeks before the last frost, or sow them directly into the ground after the danger of frost has passed. They're fast-growing and will reward you with an abundance of cheerful blooms throughout the growing season. So, if you're looking for a plant that's both beautiful and beneficial, and won't require a degree in horticulture to grow, look no further than the humble marigold. Here's another fantastic thing about marigolds. They offer continuous bloom throughout the growing season, providing your garden with all-season pest protection. From the moment they burst into bloom in late spring to the first frost of autumn, marigolds will diligently stand guard, deterring pests and attracting beneficial insects. Imagine a garden alive with color, a vibrant tapestry of marigold blooms, protecting your vegetables, herbs, and flowers from unwanted visitors. It's a sight to behold, a testament to the beauty and functionality of nature's own pest control system. So, while other plants may come and go, marigolds will be there for you. Their cheerful blooms, a constant reminder that you're gardening in harmony with nature, protecting your plants without harming the environment. Let's face it, gardening can be an expensive hobby, especially if you're constantly battling pests and diseases with chemical-laden products. But what if I told you there's a cost-effective and sustainable solution right at your fingertips? Marigolds, my friends, are the epitome of budget-friendly gardening. A packet of marigold seeds costs a fraction of the price of chemical pesticides and will provide you with an abundance of plants that not only protect your garden, but also add beauty and attract pollinators. Moreover, by choosing marigolds, you're opting for a sustainable solution that benefits the environment. You're reducing your reliance on harmful chemicals, protecting beneficial insects, and promoting biodiversity in your garden. So, ditch those expensive and environmentally damaging pesticides and embrace the power of marigolds. It's a win-win situation for your garden and the planet. It's more important than ever to adopt sustainable gardening practices. Marigolds offer a natural way to protect our gardens without harming the planet. Unlike chemical pesticides, marigolds don't contaminate soil or water. They enrich the soil and attract pollinators. Choosing marigolds helps ensure a greener future. It's a small step with a big impact. Let your garden be a sanctuary for nature. Whether you have a sprawling backyard garden, a cozy balcony, or just a sunny windowsill, marigolds can be easily incorporated into any garden space. They're incredibly versatile and adapt well to different growing conditions, making them suitable for both novice and experienced gardeners. Plant them in pots, window boxes, hanging baskets, or directly into the ground. The possibilities are endless. Their compact size makes them ideal for small gardens, while their vibrant blooms can add a splash of color to larger landscapes. Create borders, edging, or even entire beds of marigolds to transform your garden into a vibrant oasis. Their cheerful blooms will brighten up any space, attracting pollinators and deterring pests all season long. So no matter the size or style of your garden, there's always room for marigolds. Let your creativity run wild and explore the endless possibilities of these versatile and beneficial blooms. Marigolds embody the essence of holistic gardening, blending beauty, functionality, and sustainability. By embracing marigolds, you're fostering an ecosystem that thrives on natural harmony. Imagine walking through your garden, the air filled with the scent of marigolds, bees buzzing around. It's achievable with a little planning and marigold seeds. If you found value, give it a thumbs up and share it. Subscribe to Don't Do This Guide for more tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, happy gardening!